Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for BE and BTech graduate. Actually, the name of the company is Asian Paint. They haven't specified the department. So they commonly said as those who completed their BE or BTech can apply for this job. And the job location is in Vizag. So if you're willing to work in Vizag, you can further see this video and get information. And specific department they haven't mentioned. Okay, so let us go into the video. The name of the company is Asian Paint. So it's India's number one paint company. And if you are willing to work in the company means you can further uh, see all the details and apply for this job. So when you scroll down, I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website of Asian Paints. And if you scroll down, you can see a icon called search for opening. So you have to click on this icon, search for opening, and it will be keep on loading. So further, if you scroll down means you can see various job opportunities like senior sales executive in Haridwar, senior executive plant engineering, and sales engineer in Vizag. This is what we're going to see. And assistant group manager, like so it will be having various job opportunities. And just check the posted date. Okay, if they are recent means you can try for it. If it has been posted long back means then it will be of no use. So if you click on apply, you have to click on apply in order to see the sales engineer for working in a Vizag. So this is what they gave. And company is Asian Paints. And those who are interested in sales and marketing can go for this job and apply for this job. And they clearly mentioned it's BTech. They haven't mentioned a department. And freshers can apply. If you have 2 years freshers or 2 years experience, candidate can apply. And let us see the other job also. See, there are various jobs here. So you just scroll and see. So if you want to apply for this, even Cochin also they are having some executive job. If you scroll, if you want to further apply means, that is in sales manager flooring in Vizag, you have to click an icon called apply. And if you are willing to work in Vizag, you can apply. Kindly share this video to those who are living in and out of Vizag, if you are having any friends. So once you click this icon apply, you will be seeing mail ID and password. If this is the first time you are applying means you have to sign up and I mean type all your details and then get a registered mail ID and password, and then you have to apply for this. So you sign up by giving all your details. So once you will be giving your registered mail ID and password, mobile number, right? So once this shortlist, or if they want to communicate with you, they will be telling everything in through mail. So share with your friends and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. We will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorstep. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.